Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Become a key member of the TWB family by visiting my Redbubble store and ordering your Traveling with Bruce item today. Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Today's date, April the 17th, 2019. I have an update on the Oasis of the Seas. She has just arrived in Cadiz, Spain, getting ready to go into dry dock. This is the ship that got badly damaged in Freeport in the Bahamas a little over a week and a half ago when a crane crashed into her on the back end when she was in for dry dock. This is the picture before she went into dry dock. Notice the balconies on the lower right. They're nice and parallel to each other. You see the giant screen there. Here is the crane crashed right across the back end of the ship, destroying a bunch of equipment and a bunch of the seating and affecting all kinds of parts of the ship. Here's another shot of the crane coming at us. You can see the screen is destroyed. The one balcony is bent right down. It was a mess. So here we are. You can see the balcony there on the right-hand side. She's tilted down. The glass all around it is gone. The screen has been removed now. They've been working on the ship while it's been in the Atlantic to try to get her ready for dry dock. Engineers were flown from Cadiz, Spain to Freeport, and they've been on the ship across the Atlantic assessing the damage and looking at what has to be done. The city of Cadiz and the port of Cadiz are ready for the Oasis. The Carnival ship Triumph is going to be leaving dry dock tomorrow, April the 18th, and this dry dock you see right here is where the Oasis of the Seas will go into on Monday the 22nd. Hopefully we won't have an incident like this where the dry dock will buckle, the ship will list, and we have all kinds of problems. The good news is that the crew, the workers will be able to get right under the ship because the dry dock is large enough to lift the entire ship right out of the water, and they'll be able to work underneath her and all over. This is a big job. The country of Spain is taking great pride in being able to salvage this vessel and get her back to work as soon as possible on an emergency repair, and it's making big news over there. We'll stay on top of the story. We'll keep following it, see how it works out. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week. Subscribe today, and we'll keep you posted, everybody. Bye for now.